could be better than a beautiful sunrise in Florida? Well, maybe beautiful sunrise in Florida with horses on the beach. Holy smokes. And what could be better than that? You got it. Talented riders that do what we want them to do on the beach with the beautiful sunrise. Oh my gosh. This is what we had thanks to Florida's Birding and Photo Fest and the Baker Barn. We had an amazing photography opportunity, and I was literally sitting in the surf with these horses running all around me. And when I got the great idea that just maybe if I had the riders hold my 360 camera, what kind of video could we get? I know you're loving it.